Hi, I'm Lindsay O'Neill. I'm an instructional design librarian, and my poster for ALA is on creating interactive, accessible, and open tutorials with a cloud-based software called H5P. Rather than walking you through my poster, which is pretty gigantic, I've prepared a mini presentation in H5P itself that you can actually try out too. And I'm just going to walk you through it really quickly. Okay, so H5P is a cloud-based software. It's free. You can go to h5p.org, create a free account, and instantly start creating content. So this format, H5P has about 34 different content types. This content type is a course presentation. It is my favorite content type for H5P because you can create multi-slide tutorials in it, kind of like this one. So what I've done in this tutorial is interspersed content information, textual, mostly from my poster, with activities. So here's an example of a quiz question. H5P is open source. I know that from reading the previous slide. Boom, there it is. And all I had to do to create this quiz question was just basically fill out a form. It's really easy and it looks very nice when it's done. All right, here's some more content. It's about H5P, whenever you create content on h5p.org, all of the content is automatically made public and assigned a Creative Commons CC BY license, which means that by default, everything created on H5P is free and open to anyone to reuse under the terms of the Creative Commons license. You can actually download other people's H5P content, upload it, and adapt it. So here's another example of an H5P activity. It's drag and drop the words. H5P is automatically assigned a Creative Commons license, which means everything is open by default. Check our work. I got both answers correct. Okay, so I've made some infographics from my poster. This is one of them. I know it's probably really hard to read in this video. Basically, this is a list of accessible H5P activities. I've only selected 9 of these. There are more than 9, but these are the most likely for you to use in active learning. All right, so here's another activity. Dr. Jane Moynihan wants to make a multi-slide tutorial. And this is another drag and drop activity rather than the words, though. It's a drag and drop kind of image activity. And if she wants to make a multi-slide tutorial, she should use the content type in H5P. Check it, boom, done. All right, so I'm going to knock that off there. If you want to do the rest of the tutorial, it's available on my website. The URL to try everything out is on screen. It is lindsay-o'neill.com/try-h5p. So I've got the demo H5P content right there. You can also download my poster as a JPEG or as a PDF. I did license my poster as a Creative Commons CC BY license. I do have a poster narration here on SoundCloud. That's something that ALA suggested doing along with this video. And I did do a short ebook with the content from my poster, so you can download that or view it online. I did make some cute little infographics for my poster as well. They're all licensed as Creative Commons, so please hop on over and check them out. And I've got some more further reading and things here as well. All right. That's it for me. Thanks so much for viewing, and please feel free to reach out if you want to talk more about H5P or about interactive tutorials, accessibility, open educational resources. I'm here and I love to chat. Thanks for watching.